Okay, we are going to do a quick contour look that is super easy and simple using our fantastic blush brush. And you can see it has a nice little angle. And so if you kind of see against, so I have one of my compacts already made up, but this is Latte and this is the color I use all the time. I am going to get it on the bottom part of the brush more, and I'm gonna follow in from my ear right underneath my cheekbone, and I'm gonna go in. Really, I just go into about the tip of my eye, depending on your face shape, so realize that. But you're gonna go in, you're not gonna go down, you're gonna go in, straight in, okay? So it is pretty much gonna kind of be a straight line. So, super easy, super simple, and especially I have a pretty intense going eye look, which means you need to contour, you're gonna look a little bit like a vampire. Not that I'm not into vampire things, but you know, just kind of maybe pull your hair back for this. So coming back, I'm actually going to get some of the highlighter up here on the very top part. So the highlighter is getting in. Blend all the way into your hairline. That's a big key. And then you can always blend it down. So that way it doesn't look like it's so dramatic. But just doing that little bit kind of pretty much gives you a facelift. So this is pretty much a facelift in a very short step. Now I have the contour color on the bottom. I'm going to flip it so it's at the top. I'm gonna just go right, I'll pull my hair back for this. I'm gonna go right in there around my hairline. You can go a little bit farther down. You don't have to, and you can see just that little bit really warmed up my face and gave a nice kind of transition from your forehead to your hair. So that's always lovely. Really love doing that. A little crazy on that. I'm going to use the higher tip of my blush brush just right in here on the nose. I don't draw that line that I see some people do. With my nose, I feel like it's too visible. So this is just me dusting pretty much in this triangle area. I am dusting that shading in there. Contour is just meant to change your face shape. And especially just if you're doing anything in front of a camera, it really helps just give your features a distinction. You can kind of play around with your nose a little bit. You can go down. You're gonna go with here, you're going actually underneath your chin. You're not going along the edge in the front part, you're going to go underneath. If you're wanting to create a little bit more of that distinct chin, you can even go straight down your neck and blend that out. Blending is gonna be key. Pretty simple. That's for minutes chip. I got fuzz in my mouth because you know that happens. I'm gonna come back with a little bit of the highlighter and just right along that spot where you get light. My husband's the other day was like, "What's that on your cheek?" I'm like, "It's highlighter." Shh. I am not that crazy highlight person. I'll throw a little bit on my nose, but I don't want to see my nose shining. I know that's like a thing these days. Also, I'm coming back with Rosy Nude, a really nice light, natural color. You can just contour, but I don't like doing that. I like having a little bit of blush on my cheeks. I've always been a blush girl. I will always be a blush girl. I love it. It makes me very happy. Super simple. Ready for the evening. Boop. Y'all have a great day.